We guide you through how to join a Zoom meeting without installing the Zoom app using only your web browser. First thing you need to do is open the meeting link your host sent using any browser link, Safari or Edge. When the page loads, Zoom will try to prompt you to download the app. Ignore that and look for the option that says Join from your browser or Continue in browser. If you don't see it right away, tap or click the small link that says Launch Meeting. Then choose Cancel and the browser option will appear. Next, enter your name, allow microphone and camera access if needed, and click Join. You'll now enter the Zoom meeting directly in your browser with no installation required, making this the fastest way to join Zoom on any device.